Hi everyone. Today our topic is how to design the load test scenario in stepping thread group in Apache Jmeter tool. Okay. Mostly in Jmeter tool they do not have it's not available any proper option. You need to design the scenario. Example, you have a load runner tool. In load runner tool you need to design the scenario. You able to visually you need to able to see how the test will be executed. For JMeter you don't have any option for general thread groups. That reason you can add the external plugins. Okay. Once you need to add the external plugins and you need to able to design the scenarios. Okay. That reason only you need to add the stepping thread group. Okay. One is the name is called stepping thread group, or another name is custom thread group. Okay, custom thread group. Stepping thread group is general name and custom thread group is directly you can update the any plugins and directly you can install any plugins na. That time the name is called custom thread group. You will type na, automatically you will be able to came, and directly you can type the stepping thread group also will directly will be came. Okay. First, first of all, I need to open the Google and I will show you. Okay. First one, in JMeter, you need to add some predefined configuration setups. Example, you downloaded and you need to set up on just a minute. In JMeter, you already installed, okay, 5.4, but it's required Java 1.8 high version. Okay, higher version. It's required. It's a requirement. You need to add the stepping thread group now. Okay. You can add the stepping thread group. He will able to came under thread group under test plan. Okay, that is the place only you able to find out. Okay, and what is the process of the you need to add that plugins. One is directly download the stepping thread group in Apache organization or website you can call. Okay, once you need to download that one, you can add the one is lib, one is ext folders. Okay, you can understand na? You can add the one is lib folder and one is ext folder. Okay, now I will show you. First one, I will open my command prompt, type the, I will check the Java. Okay, you can type Java space hyphen version. Could not create Java. Just yeah, you can see it's already installed the Java version 1.8. I'm already installed. That reason Java is installed. It's done. Now I need to add the stepping thread group. Go to the Google. You can directly type the stepping thread group in Jmeter. Okay. uh, where is available the tool? Otherwise, Jmeter plugin. Okay, Jmeter plugins. You can select the first link only, Jmeter plugins, jmeterplugins.org. Okay, this is the website of Jmeter plugins external. Okay, developers will develop the features and add this one. There are so many features, not one or two, but based on your requirement you need to learn and you need to use. Okay, now you need to type the, yeah, this is the thread group: stepping thread group, ultimate thread group, concurrency thread group, arrival, freeform. This all the elements will become under stepping thread group. The name is called, this is, I will type it only stepping, only stepping thread group only, but all the elements, it is the name, is the group of elements name is custom thread group. Okay, you can download it. Example, I will download 2.10 is the latest one. Yes, I will download it. Just a minute, it's done. Okay, go to directly in download jpgc castg, something is there, but you need to first of all extract that one. Extract files. I did not select anything, same download page only I need. Okay, the file will be came. You can see that file will be designed, everything. You don't know how we need to do, but everything is keep on explained. Okay, you need to open this one. He told first of all you need to go to the lib folder. In lib folder you need to add this one, Jmeter plugin cmn Jmeter 0.6. After, you can go to the ext folder. You can add the Jmeter plugins, this one 2.0, and Jmeter plugin manager. Plugin manager also available this place. Okay, okay, you will understand now. One is go to lib folder. In lib folder, in Jmeter lib folder, you need to add this one. Ext folder, you need to add this too. Okay, okay, now I need to open the Jmeter tool. This is my Jmeter 5.4. Go to the, just a minute, Jmeter, and go to download where is available. Go to lib and you need to open. I am also go to lib only. Okay, this place, this is a tool, there are so many files. Okay, now I need to check which one. Jmeter plugins cmn Jmeter 0.6. Example, I will take this name directly. You can paste it this place. Okay, it's a lib folder. Okay, it's a lib only, na, lib only available. Go to lib folder. Jmeter plugin cmn. Okay, you need to manually need to check only, there is no other option. Jmeter plugins. Yeah, you can see that one, Jmeter plugins CMN Jmeter 0.7. Jmeter plugin CMN Jmeter 0.6 available. It's 0.7 latest only I am updated. After you can go to the downloads. Lib is done. After go to ext. In ext there is a two. One is Jmeter plugin manager. One is Jmeter plugin. Just a minute. I will add it. Yeah, this one. This is lib folder. This is one. This is second one. Okay, first one Jmeter plugin manager in ext folder. Go to Jmeter and you need to open this one, lib, and go to ext. First one Jmeter plugin manager. You can see this is the Jmeter plugin manager. Jmeter plugin manager 1.7, and this is second one Jmeter plugins CASUTG 2.10. Both is I am already updated. It's done. This is the first way, guys. You need to download and you need to add. And the second one, maybe some people you don't know how we need to do this all the process. No? You can go to directly bin folder and you need to open the Jmeter. Okay, this is my Jmeter. Okay, how we need to add? Okay, once you need to go to the, this is the option plugin manager, first one. This is the last place available, no? And right side top. Okay, it's a plugin manager. This is a symbol is called plugin manager. Otherwise go to options, go to plugin manager. I will open. Okay, now how you need to add it now? You can go to upgrades now. There is nothing else, only plugin manager only. Available plugins means this all plugins it's available. There are a huge plugins available, but installed plugins I am already installed to the custom thread group. Custom thread group means it's a custom thread group means it's a group of the elements. The group of elements is one element is the stepping thread group. Okay, this is the stepping thread group. Custom thread group means it's a stepping thread group. I am already added, but your point of view, you are not installed now. That time you can go to the available plugins. You can check this place now in custom thread group. Okay, I am already added. That reason it did not came. Okay, you will came to the directly in available plugins in stepping thread group, and you need to download. You can directly, you can just select it. That's all. Once you need to select it now, you can select it. That time what will happen now? I will show you. You can see once you selected is you will came. I'm already installed. That reason I will select it. You will came to directly uninstall plugin. But your first time you need to install the plugin. That time you will select it now. You will came to the directly install plugin. Okay. After once you need to newly you selected now, you can click on apply changes and restart Jmeter. That's all. It's automatically downloaded, and whereas you need to set up and store all the files and jar files, everything will be set up. After automatically Jmeter will be restored and ready for use. That is the way you need to use this. These two methods you can try. This is the way you need to set up to the stepping thread group jar files. One is download, one is directly you can use. This is the easiest method, but you don't know what will happen in backend. Okay, once this one will be done, you can go to the in test plan. You can add the go to thread group. You can see there are so many thread groups available. That is one is called stepping thread group. You can add stepping thread group, these all the futures will be came. Okay, under stepping thread group you need to add the samplers. I will select the HTTP request. After I will add the listeners in view results tree. After second one, in listeners I will select the aggregate report. Okay, okay, in HTTP request point of view I will take only Google only. I am not take any specific websites. Okay, this is the Google link only I will take in. This is only for demo purpose only, that reason. Okay, 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 everything is setup is done. Okay, as a small test, that reason. Okay, now you need to, how you need to design. It's a design is very important, that is based on your requirement. You will do, but I will design only for load test purpose only I will design. Okay, this is the element stepping thread group. Okay, these methods you know already now. Continue, we can proceed now. Start next thread loop means you can go to the another thread loop only will be started and it's not started. Stop thread means is the anything will be running, is stop the test. Thread only will be stopped, and stop test means directly entire test will be stopped, and stop test now means it's a now only the test will be stopped. These features will be using very less, but that is situation based. You can select the mainly our part is this is only part. First one, threads scheduling parameters. Threads scheduling parameters, this group will start. Okay, how many threads? Threads means users. First wait for 0 seconds, then start something. Threads next add how many threads every how many seconds, using ramp up how many seconds, then hold load for how much time will be the duration. This is everything set up to the total load, ramp up, everything will be given. This is the hold on the load, how much time you need to hold on the load. Finally stopping, how many users, threads every how many will be stopped. Okay, means it's a ramp up, duration, ramp down, totally available. You need to set up. Example I will given to the first 100 users. This group will start 100 users, totally 100 users only. First wait, wait I'm not given any waiting time. Okay, I don't have time. It's a real time also, he did not most of the people he did not provide any waiting time. Okay, you can start. Then start means I will add the total 100 users, I will give in the 10. Okay, then add means once will test will started, first thread 10 threads will be moving. After next add 10 threads, and threads every not 30 seconds, it's a 10 seconds only, using ramp up. Okay, threads every means every 10 seconds 10 will be added. First 10 will started, after 10 second 10 will be added. This is the process only will be going on using ramp up. You no need to give anything, I will give the 0 only. And then hold on the load, the load only it's very important, how much duration. Example I will give it to the only 10 minutes. Everything is seconds na, you can calculate. 600 means 1 minute means say 60 seconds. 10 minutes means 60 seconds into 10 minutes, total 600 seconds. 10 minutes I will give in. Finally stop. Okay, finally stop 10 threads or 10 users every 10 seconds. Okay, this is the scenario guys in load test. Okay, it's a very important chapter also. This is the one of the best chapter in load test. Most of the clients will looking for what is the ramp up, ramp down, and duration. Okay, that is the based on client requirements. Clients keep on, some people will expecting and calculating the uh, what is the hits, the throughput, everything. Only the specific duration, how much time, only this duration only will be calculated. But some clients, the entire duration will be calculated. Okay, but remember, before starting test, minimum, before test starting, before 10 minutes, sorry, not 10 minutes, minimum 5 minutes, minimum 5 minutes is a cooling time, means there is no any growth, there is no any spikes, it's a cooling level only. After 10 minutes, after 10 say, 5 minutes also, the cooling only available, that time only the test is successful. Okay, otherwise something backend there is some noise is going on. Okay, everything is calculated. This is the way, guys, in load test will be designed in Jmeter. In load runner also same only. Load runner there are multiple scenarios also will be designed. This place also you can add the multiple thread groups and you need to do, that's all, there is no any difference. Okay, and this is the way you need to design the scenario and you need to execute. The total users 100, no waiting time, start 10, after add 10 every 10 seconds, no ramp up, and load 610 minutes, finally stop 10 every 10 seconds. This is the way load test will be designed. Okay, it's totally 13 minutes. 13 minutes means one and a half ramp up and one and a half ramp down side, ramp up and ramp down sides. It's a 10 minutes is the duration. Okay, okay, everything is ready, guys. Now I need to start the test. Okay, I will add the one aggregate report and view results tree and agent request. Okay, just a minute, I need to save this one. Stepping thread group. Okay, okay, now I need to start the test. Yeah, but you can see first 10 users only, total 100, but there is no time waiting. First 100, after 10, after now 20, 10 seconds is done. Every 10 seconds 10 10 will be added. Total duration will be executed 10 minutes and ramp down. Okay, that is the way only the test is designed. You can see now 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, now we added 40. Okay, that is the way only users will be added. You need to design the proper way. Okay, the graphs only clearly explain how you need to design, how you need to execute it. Okay, and the test is running now. Okay, you need to monitor the test also, any request will be failed, you have any issue for the your script side, you need to check. This is just for demo purpose, I will created the one HTTP request Google only will take it, but your application side, your script, anything will be failed, that is your fault, you need to solve that one. Otherwise any server side issues will be came na, that is not your problem. Okay, you can directly that to the your development team. The development team only will take care, and you need to raise the Jira ticket. Otherwise, some people will using open source SharePoint side also, SharePoint also can create. Directly you can communicate the mail side only. Everything Excel sheet imported and assign the teams, and you need to pay the, that is your project. How we need to moving and what are the tools you will be using. You can see once you need to run the total. Okay, now I will stop. Okay, you keep on sending this request now, Google will be rejected, and this much of spin of time. Okay, you can see response message too many requests. Okay, this is the Google side now, that is I'm not able to question, but you can see just a small report. The HTTP request 9415, total also same, and average, it's everything is a milliseconds. This is a request count. This is request count. Is a response. Average side 794 means it's a below 1 second. You can accept it this one. Median also same time. 90% line 95 will be calculated 1.5. It's a response is good. Okay. Most of the web, cloud and mobile applications, the response will be calculated only 3 seconds. Only 3 seconds. 3 it's also accepted. 3 above it's a fail only. Most of the clients will be rejected that one. And you need to find out the issue. What is the reason will be came to the that type of issues. Okay. The main objective is you need to run the load test. You need to run the load test in peak load and you need to find out the issues. What are the reasons it's not able to reach the our SLA or the response anything will be higher, any transaction response time very high. What are the reasons? That is web app DB servers or anything network issue or anything SQL queries will running slow. Okay, there is so many problems. Okay, you need to check all the things and most of the time 5% only web server side issues will be came. That is you can easily find out. 75% application server side only will be came and 20 to 30% database server side. Okay. Okay, in one load test also that is your responsible. You need to run the test and you need to find out the test and remember client side everything you need to prove. Without proof he never accepted. You need to prove that one. That time you need to create the one Jira ticket and assign to the developers. That's all. Your job is done. Okay. After this is the minimum 0.4 seconds, maximum it's totally it's a very huge 21 seconds. It's a very higher level but average only will be taken. It's not a problem. Error percentage means it's a fail. That one I'm not able to do anything. Throughput also something will be expected. Okay. Send and receive seconds in network side. Okay. This is the way guys. I will explain this all the things but design side this is the way only you need to design the test. This is general load test will be running but based on your scenario and what is the your business model will be running. That time the test will be differentiated and the test will be executed. Okay. Example, I will run the only 10 users. 2 seconds I can mention. It's not work. 2 seconds. Yeah. What is this one? 20. Okay, this is a small test. I designed only just for 2 minutes showing purpose. You can clear everything. And one more time you can start. Just for 10 you. Okay, it's already. This mission IP address is started and blocked also. That one. It's not for users is recognized in Google. Okay. Okay, no problem. This is the way you need to design the general load test based on your requirement. You can design, okay, and you need to perform the your load test successfully. First, most of the time you can run load runner, Jmeter, Neoload, or Oracle boards, login VSI. This all the test will be designed. This is the way only. Okay, I'm already performed. Okay, that reason only I will explain to you. Okay. Yeah, that's all guys, this video. Okay, I will connect to the my next video. Thank you very much everyone.